What is a barometer? More than just a weather tool. Imagine you're planning a hike, and someone suggests checking the barometer before you go. But what exactly is a barometer, and why is it so important? Today, we're exploring this word that's not just crucial for weather forecasts, but also appears in everyday language in surprising ways. Word type. Barometer is a noun. It's pronounced as wrong, I teared. Meaning, a barometer is an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure, which helps in predicting short-term changes in the weather. However, it's also used figuratively to describe anything that shows change or measures fluctuations, especially in public opinion or the economy. Word history. The term barometer comes from the Greek words baros, meaning weight, and metron, meaning measure. It was coined in the 17th century when the first barometers were invented. Antonyms. Well, there aren't direct antonyms for barometer. Some related contrasting terms could include inaccurate measure, unreliable indicator, or misleading gauge. Synonyms. Some synonyms or related words include gauge, indicator, measure, yardstick, and weather glass. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use barometer in both its literal and figurative senses. Literal use. The falling barometer indicated that a storm was approaching. Figurative use. Consumer spending is often seen as a barometer of economic health. Another example, the number of small businesses in a city can be a barometer of its economic vitality. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing a barometer with a thermometer. Remember, a barometer measures pressure, not temperature. Another error is using barometer too loosely in figurative speech. It should indicate a measure or gauge of something, not just any type of sign or symbol. To sum up, a barometer is both a weather instrument and a powerful metaphor for measuring change. By understanding its literal meaning and figurative use, you can add precision and depth to your English expression. Next time you want to describe something that indicates change or measures public opinion, consider using barometer to elevate your language.